The era of the compromised small tablet is officially coming to an end. For years, Apple has kept the iPad mini on a life support cycle, releasing once every few years, giving a decent chip, but always holding back the true pro features that power users crave. As we move into late 2026, the landscape is shifting. The blueprints have leaked. The supply chain in Asia is humming with new orders, and the device we all been dreaming of is finally taking shape. Welcome to the deep dive into the Apple iPad mini M5. This isn't just an update. It is a total reimagining of what a small form factor powerhouse can be. As the Mi Pro we were told would never exist. You are a digital nomad, a hardcore gamer, or a fashion who needs a device that fits in a jacket pocket. It performs like a workstation. You need to pay attention. In this video, we are going beyond the surface level rumors. We are deconstructing the M5 architecture, the revolutionary OLED transition, and why Apple is finally deciding to put its most powerful mobile silicon inside its smallest tablet. If you've been holding on to your aging iPad mini 6 or the incremental iPad mini 7, wondering is the perfect tablet ever arrive, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's start with the absolute game changer, the silicon. In past, the iPad mini usually inherited the Pro chip from the previous year's iPhone, but according to the latest industrial leaks, Apple is breaking that tradition. The iPad mini M5 is set to leapfrog the A-series chips entirely and adopt the M5 processor. Is the same silicon that debuted in the 2025 MacBook Pro and the latest iPad Pro. We are talking about a 3nm powerhouse with a redesigned 10-core GPU that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing at a level that makes current consoles blush. Why does putting an M5 in an 8-inch tablet matter? Because of Apple Intelligence. We are entering the era of on-device LLMs, large language models. It require massive amounts of unified memory and NPU, neural processing unit, performance. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 4 times faster than the M4, capable of processing complex AI tasks, like real-time video generating and advanced coding assistance. Locally, needing a cloud connection. The iPad mini M5 isn't just a tablet. It's a pie-sized AI system here, but power is nothing if the stream can't keep up. For years, the giant rolling issue and the aging LCD technology of the mini line have been the primary complaints of the community. That ends here. The iPad mini M5 is finally moving to an OLED display. But this isn't just a standard OLED panel. Reports suggest Apple is working with Samsung Display to bring a single-stack OLED specifically tuned for the mini size. This means true blacks, infinite contrast, and for the first time in a mini promotion technology. Yes, 120Hz scrolling is finally coming to the small screen. The fluidity of the UI, the responsiveness of the Apple Pencil, and the cinematic quality of HDR content make this the best media consumption device Apple has ever built. Now, let's talk about the design and the hidden grits. While the underreal footprint is expected to stay similar to the iconic 8.3-inch design, the iPad mini M5 is rumored to be significantly